This job's about giving somebody independence. 24/7, no holidays.
Oh,
How do you feel about making life or death decisions?
I think I'm pretty good.
Training's 10 years.
Okay.
Because you can't interact with anyone and you can only walk in a straight line.
A straight line.
What do you mean? Okay.
Do you frighten easily?
no, except in horror movies.
Good.
Um,
Have a biscuit. You can't do that. This job's about resisting temptation.
Okay.
what's the pay?
Love. Just love.
Car? How about a car?
You get love.
What about presents and gifts?
No.
Oh.